It's Karthik, right?
Yes, sir.
It was a good inauguration ceremony yesterday. You look sharp in that suit.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to have adjusted well. I think Sathidar has mentored you well.
Yes, sir. Everyone has made me feel welcome here.
So listen. The government is planning these trains to transport oxygen across country.
So when is this going to happen?
The details are still thin, but it's going to happen after they decide on a name for it. Right now, the higher-ups have asked me to look for able loco pilots for this critical mission.
We have Satada, sir.
Yes, but I think he won't be returning for at least 2 weeks. Anyway, off you go. We'll keep you posted. You will partner with Rajiv starting today.
Oh, okay, sir.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number
Dhanda Pani. Looks like your Saturday sir is gone.
He'll be back, Rajiv.
I still can't believe you actually got this job. Whose recommendation did you have?
Not everyone has relatives in positions of power, Rajiv. Some of us have to work hard to succeed.
Oh, looks like I touched a nerve. We'll see how far your hard work takes you.
1, 2, 6, 5.
Array, call the TTR.
Hi, somebody pull the chain.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain.
Arey, these people have no job. They keep pulling chain for no reason and make us late.
Satada sir taught me to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Okay, stop talking and tell that fat guard to reset the ACP.
Attention loco pilot, this is the guard.
Manohar ji, Karthik here.
There is an emergency situation.
What happened?
The TTR just informed me that there is a pregnant lady traveling in coach S3. She is having severe labor pains and immediately needs medical attention.
Some passenger pulled the chain in panic. Oh, that's not good. Should we go back?
Go back? Are you crazy? We can't go back now. We have come too far.
Then we have to rush and reach Arakonam as soon as possible.
You cannot reach Arakonam in 2 minutes. It's impossible.
It's not impossible if I can carefully exceed speed limit.
You can't risk the lives of everyone for one woman. We can't do anything to save her.
Manohar ji, I am going to try and reach Arakonam.
Good luck Karthik, I will immediately reset ACP. We are ready to go.
Please inform the Arakonam station master so they can arrange for ambulance.
I will.
5. Passenger Express is
This is why I told Satada I didn't want to partner with you.
5.
Will you calm down for a second? Things turned out okay at the end.
That foolish man didn't listen to a word I said.
Rajiv, you can't talk like that about Satada, sir.
The last thing I need right now is babysitting a newbie who won't follow orders.
Passenger Express
What you did today was way out of line. You risked the life of everyone to save one person.
Unlike you, I
But I don't trust you at all. I am going to report this to the Rajendran sir. I won't partner with you ever again.